In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could register as a boss here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, make sure that you have completed the GTA 5 Online tutorial. Whenever that is done, essentially open up your phone and go to the internet browser. And to register as a CEO, go ahead and begin by selecting Money and Services and go down to the Dynasty 8 exclusive reality option right here. Press on it to enter the site and then go ahead and select the thing with the little money symbol. This is going to be a free office right here. Selected, go ahead and just skip to the very end. You can change it slightly. However, when you do change it, it does change the price a little bit. So I don't recommend that. But essentially go to, the buy page at the very bottom. Select buy and you will now have an office. From here, you can go ahead and return to your map. You'll see it on there. Then you can back out of this section and you'll be good to go. Now, you can also do this with a motorcycle club as well. But essentially, once you have either the office or the clubhouse, go ahead and open up the interaction menu. And once you do open up that interaction menu, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see register as a boss on here. Go ahead and select that. And from here, you can either choose securoserv CEO if you do want to, be your standard boss, or if you have a motorcycle club, go ahead and select motorcycle club president as well. Whenever you do that, hit start an organization, and from here it'll go ahead and say that you are a CEO or you are the president of the MC club. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.